In 2025 design trends, the living room wall is no longer a secondary element, it has become the visual anchor and the soul of modern decor. With a variety of materials and techniques available, 3 standout styles are leading this year's trends: wooden walls, PVC panels, and creative, modern paint finishes. Let's start with wood, the timeless material that never loses its elegance. Wooden wall cladding is now a staple in contemporary interiors, whether through full natural wood panels or vertical slats in rich walnut, ash gray, or oak tones. These designs are often used to highlight the wall behind the sofa or TV unit, adding a sense of warmth and a luxurious aesthetic reminiscent of upscale hotel lounges. When combined with concealed lighting, especially linear LEDs between panels, wood adds a sense of depth and richness that elevates the space. Whether you choose polished surfaces or textured finishes, the result can be soft and classic or sharp and modern, depending on your personal taste. Next comes PVC, a modern plastic-based paneling material that's gaining popularity for its practicality and versatility. PVC panels are water-resistant, easy to install, and surprisingly stylish. They're available in a variety of designs, from wood effect textures to stone-like surfaces and bold geometric patterns. They're an ideal solution for homeowners looking for a quick, affordable wall upgrade without compromising on elegance. PVC is frequently used behind TV units or across full accent walls in matte tones or 3D effects. And when paired with golden trims or decorative moldings, it offers a luxurious look with a modern edge. As for paint, it's making a strong return this year, but with more personality and creativity than ever. Earthy tones are trending, such as olive green, clay, warm gray, and creamy white. These colors provide a calming, grounded feeling and blend easily with wood, metal, or minimalist furniture. The finish is just as important as the color itself. Velvet paints offer a soft light effect, while matte finishes create a muted, elegant atmosphere. Some homeowners are even experimenting with special paint textures, like polished cement effects or metallic glazes, that add artistic character to the wall without requiring extra decoration. Modern design also embraces combinations. It's now common to see a single wall that brings together wood, PVC, and paint in one balanced composition. Imagine a vertical strip of dark wooden slats next to a soft beige painted section, with illuminated PVC panels in between. This layered approach introduces depth, dimension, and a custom aesthetic that truly sets a space apart. Lighting has also become a core element in wall design. Integrated LEDs highlight textures and transitions between materials, while subtle ceiling spotlights draw attention to key areas of the wall. The result is a dynamic surface that shifts with the time of day, making the wall feel alive and constantly changing. These options offer complete design freedom, whether your space is small or expansive, or whether you prefer classic warmth or contemporary flair. Wood provides natural comfort, PVC offers innovation and flexibility, and paint adds harmony and calm. The smartest approach is to blend them skillfully, creating a wall that reflects your unique taste and personality. Stay with Decor Pro 2 for more inspiring wall ideas that suit all styles and spaces. If you enjoyed this look at modern wall trends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. A single, well-designed wall might be all it takes to transform your entire living room. In 2025, we're witnessing a growing interest in what designers now call the living or interactive wall, where visual design meets smart functionality. Walls are no longer just decorative elements, they're becoming an integrated part of the smart home system, equipped with motion sensors, customizable lighting, and even hidden displays embedded within paneling. Another trend making waves this year is the rise of multifunctional walls, especially in open-plan layouts. Designers are using contrasting wall finishes to subtly divide different zones, like living and dining areas, without the need for physical partitions. For example, the lower half of a wall might feature wooden paneling, while the upper half is painted in a soft tone or covered with elegant wallpaper, creating a stylish and seamless transition within the same room. As sustainability becomes a major design priority, more homeowners are opting for eco-conscious materials. There's increasing demand for reclaimed wood and PVC panels made from recycled plastics. Even paint technology has advanced, offering low VOC, non-toxic formulas with natural pigments that are safer for both people and the environment. One of the most beautiful additions in modern wall design is the integration of built-in shelving, especially within wooden wall structures. These shelves serve both as practical storage and as aesthetic features, often illuminated with soft LED strips to add a gentle glow and highlight decor items, transforming the wall into a functional art piece. Balance is also key in 2025's wall concepts. Designers are favoring the statement wall approach, where one striking wall becomes the focal point in an otherwise calm and minimalist setting. This technique adds impact without visual clutter, aligning perfectly with the modern style of fluid, harmonious interiors. Ultimately, a well-designed wall is not just about the surface, it's about the story it tells. Whether you want a bold and expressive feature or a subtle, elegant backdrop for daily life, 2025 offers more creative freedom than ever before. Technology, materials, and craftsmanship are coming together to make walls not just decorative, but meaningful. Stay tuned with Decor Pro 2 for more insights into the latest home design trends. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because your next feature wall could be the beginning of an entirely new home transformation.
Welcome to Decor Pro 2.